Hi everyone, welcome back to day 9 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. My name is Chris O'Neill. I'm so glad you're here and I cannot wait to see what today's item is because I am baffled. Also, I did finish the clutch. It's completely done. It was challenging, but I'll talk more about that and I'll show you it in a few minutes. All right, so let's get to 9. I don't know what it is, so let's open it up and find out. Still saving those stickers. This one's stuck on there pretty good. All right. What is this? Oh. I have no clue. Okay. Oh, that's a silicone thingy. All right. We have battery thingies and these. Are they like luminaries? I don't know what these even are. All right, let's open one up. Okay, I figured it out. Well, my husband and I figured it out. It is a paper star luminary thingy. And yeah, I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with the battery pack because if I let this drop, it's gonna rip it and I don't wanna do that. So I'm not sure, but it's pretty. Let me flip it around. This one has quilt squares on it and then like some, I don't know, stained glass it looks like or something. This one has sewing notions on it. So when you open that one up, which it's tricky to get them to open completely up. You gotta open these things. I don't know. And then you have to cinch this to keep it closed. It's not my cup of tea. It's pretty, it's nice, it's not what I expect to see in a box like this, but I'm not gonna like them all. And somebody out there is going to absolutely love this, right? I'm sure some of you do and think it's incredible. It is pretty, but it's not my thing. It's not my thing, and that's okay. That's okay because we've had some incredible items that I absolutely adore in this box. Speaking of which, one of them is the kit that we got. So I did make it. Okay, I have blisters on my thumbs for working on this. This is a really tricky project. The hexies isn't too bad if you're used to doing hexies. Now I did do them, I'm not great at it. So what I did was I took invisible thread and I zigzagged just horizontally just to make sure they were secure because if you're using this, I didn't want them to come apart, especially after all the work. The inside is pretty. My stitching, when you stitch this thing in, I did a terrible job. I probably should go back and redo it. I will even show you. You can see what a hot mess that is inside. It's tough. It's really tough. I broke 2 needles and I used upholstery needles too. So I broke them pulling it through. Very tricky to get this together, but it's pretty and it's really cute. I want to get some sort of chain or something for on here. It is adorable. Just tricky. But you know what? It got me out of my comfort zone. It's very pretty. I'm glad I did it. Like I said, I might go back and redo the stitching to make it neater on the inside. But overall, it's really nice. I love it. I know some people ask me if I do a tutorial. This isn't my pattern, so I can't do a tutorial on it. But Missouri Star Quilt Company has a tutorial on it on their site because they do their unboxings every day too. And if you want to get that link, it's in your box, in your Missouri Star Quilt Company Jenny box. On the lid inside of it, there's like a piece of cardboard and the link is written on that. But you can also comment below and I can give you the link. I don't think it's private. Last year it was private, but this year it doesn't seem to be, so it's not a big deal. All right, so let's talk about value. This was pretty easy to figure out the cost of because I could get on Amazon and find these frames. And I found the frames for a set of 2 for $14.50 or no, $15. So that tells me that this frame is $7.50 if I just want one. The pattern, of course, is $10 because I do that for all the patterns. And then the items that we got, the hexes and the fusible interfacing, was minimal. They were small amounts, so I did $2 a piece on them. So total for yesterday's item, I'm putting at $21.50. And that brings our grand total to $143, leaving only $47.75 left. I can't even believe it. That's incredible. To be this early on and to be this close to our target is awesome. Okay, so let's guess day 10. So I'm gonna lift it up and guess. Warning, warning, warning. Here we go. All right, it's little. Okay. I don't know if I should tell you because I know exactly what this is. Just revealing it. Or if you don't want to know, skip ahead. But this is a pair of scissors. I can feel the loops here and the point. There might be something else in there with them, but it's definitely a pair of scissors. Oh, there's something here too. That'll be the surprise. But yeah, you can outline the scissors right there. Oh, hey, I can always use scissors, so that's a great item. Okay, I can't wait to open this tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.